Hello everyone, I've just purchased a 500W, 30 volts double-sided solar panel. This is what it looks like. I welded a frame out of profile tubing and calculated the optimal tilt angle for the solar panel. A beautiful sunny day today, so I decided to see what it can do. The rest of the equipment is a battery charge controller, which supplies the required voltage to charge the battery, along with some additional features. All of this is connected to the workshop for the experiment. I also have an inverter with a peak power of 1200W and a used 60 amp battery. Everything is hooked up quickly. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 lamps, and let's turn on the computer. The computer is without the battery for the sake of clarity of the experiment. We see 12.2 volts 14.2A. Yeah, the inverter isn't powerful enough with the lights and load fully on, so let's turn off one lamp. Here we have a homemade lamp. I don't know how much it consumes, but the light is very bright. Here we have a grinder in the workshop. And there's also an LED light above the machine. The computer, as you can see, is booted up. It shows 14.9 amps. Of course, the inverter is too small, it's a bit quirky, it can't handle it. The wires, although thick, are very hot. 15 amps. That is, 30 volts and 15 amps. That's our 500 watts. As the manufacturer claims, when exposed to direct sunlight. Everything works, everything loaded, the additional monitor also works. The light is on here. It's very nice to know that everything is working. The day, as you can see, is sunny. And we have 300 sunny days a year in our region. Here are 15, and we just saw, this is the maximum power, even the power tools. They are about 150 to 200 watts. In principle, it is enough if you turn off the lights. The rest of our power tools are on batteries. The machine, of course, will not handle this, because it is 3 kilowatts. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.